Today we're at this 79 series here. We're going to be ripping this battery out of the engine bay here, and we're going to be reinstalling it. 200 amp hour DCS lithium, power the whole car and all of his accessories.
I get some bands and I get some bands on my little baby, yeah. I get some bands and I get some bands on my little baby, yeah. I get some bands and I get some bands on my little baby, yeah. I get some bands and I get some bands on my little baby, yeah. Lace up and drip it down, take her wherever, yeah. Say the word and we take trips on with whatever, yeah. Don't bring me down, she build me up, not talking teddy bears. She not Bonnie, I'm not
Factory battery removed from under the bonnet and a 200 amp hour DCS lithium in the back of the vehicle to power the engine, everything else on the vehicle, coupled with a couple of Andersons to power his canopy when that eventually goes on. It's going to be happy days.